Today I'm going to show you the settings to use to export super high quality reels in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so here is our reel of the palm trees that we want to export. Come over to your timeline, right click, timeline settings, and we want to make sure that our timeline is set to 1080 by 1920. This is what Instagram processes best. Our goal is to make Instagram compress our reel as little as possible, and if we choose to go to 2K or 4K, Instagram will start to compress our image more and more. Yeah, we can click OK, and now we can come down to our Deliver tab. Now here on the left are where all the export settings are. So first things first, we're going to name our clip. I'll just name this one Palms Reel. We're going to hit Browse and choose our export location. For format, we're going to leave it on QuickTime. You can choose MP4, but I think QuickTime gives us the best results. For codec, we're just going to choose H.264. It's the most universal codec currently. Check use hardware acceleration. Keep the resolution as is the timeline. This footage is shot at 23:976, so I'm going to leave it as that. As far as the quality goes, you don't want your file sizes to be too big, and you don't want them to be too small. If they're too small, they're going to look like crap. And if they're too big, Instagram will compress them down and make some unwanted artifacts and banding in your reel. So where I found the sweet spot is about 5,000 kilobytes per second. If you want to see it accurately on a Mac, you want to export your gamma tag as Rec709A. That'll make sure the colors within your project look the same as on your export. This is only if you're going to play back your reels in QuickTime. If you're not, then you don't need to worry about this. Cool, all that's left is add to render queue and render. If you got something out of this video, be sure to subscribe for more.